Hey, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to order items on EastMallBuy and save a lot of money. To make the tutorial as simple as possible, I've divided the video into different sections. 1. How to register on EastMallBuy. 2. Find and buy products on EastMallBuy. 3. How to ship your products. Let's start with the first step, registering on EastMallBuy. EastMallBuy is a so-called agent and allows you to order products to your country that are actually only available on Chinese websites, like Waidian, Taobao, or 1688. Because this agent has by far the best customer service. Additionally, EastMallBuy offers a very well-functioning and easy-to-understand smartphone app. If you click on the first link in the description, you will be redirected to the EastMallBuy website, where you can easily register. You can also scan the QR code in the video to register via smartphone. Just enter your email address to select the password, and then click to register for a few minutes. An activation email will appear in your inbox with a link to complete the registration. After confirming your email address, you can log in to EastMallBuy. If you want to get more coupons, just enter the code here and click to redeem. Then you just need to click I agree and redeem, and the additional coupon will be added to your account. Now we enter the second step to find and buy products on EastMallBuy. To find products on EastMallBuy, you have many options, such as the so-called spreadsheet, which compiles links to various home projects, and can also be searched on Google. Another way is to search through images. For example, I'm looking for this shoe. I just search for the picture on Google and save it. Then I click the image icon in the EastMallBuy search bar to select the image, and then wait for a moment. As you can see, I recommend a lot of Taobao Microstore 1688 products. Of course, you can also use images to search for pictures of various things. For example, you can try on sneakers, clothing, or even Lego suits. You can find almost anything in the EastMallBuy. Then after selecting the color and size, just select the ruler box at the bottom and click Add to Cart. And then click Buy Now in the shopping cart. When purchasing again, you need to enter the country and region where you live and click OK. And then click Continue to checkout. You can also recharge before purchasing the goods. Or you can also choose other payers, one of the formulas, and pay the cost of the product. The goods should arrive at the warehouse in about 3 to 5 days. From there, you can ship them to yourself. And I will quickly show you how to recharge EastMallBuy. Just click the upper right corner, and then click the wallet to enter the amount you want to recharge. Click to confirm and select the payment method, and then click to continue payment to complete the payment. Now we enter the last step of shipping your product. A few days after ordering, the product status in the order tab will change to stored in the warehouse, and the product, including the quality inspection photos, will be displayed in the warehouse tab. You can now view the photos. If everything is okay with the product, you can start shipping. Before shipping the package, you need to fill in the address tab here. Enter your email address and edit it and fill in your information here. Once everything is filled in, just click the last save address, and then return to the warehouse tab to start shipping. You can check the size checkbox to ship multiple items in one package. Each purchased product will be stored in the warehouse for free for 90 days. So if you want to ship multiple items in one package or other products, it will take a little time to ship to the warehouse. Don't worry, select all the items in the package and click Submit. Then you can choose to waterproof the product or strengthen the edges of the package. Remove the box or fold the shoe box. Next, you need to choose a transportation route from a number of transportation options. Finally, you can choose free insurance or purchase insurance. Free insurance covers the value of the goods, and the price of purchasing insurance is the value of the goods plus the freight. If the package is lost or detained by customs, the insurance will reimburse you for all expenses. Next, you need to declare the value of the package. You just need to click Start Declaring here and select the value of the item. Then click Confirm, then click Submit Package. And finally check if your address is correct. If everything is correct, please click Confirm and Submit. In order to save extra shipping costs, you can also choose to use coupons, and finally click Apply Coupon. Now, you can choose again whether to pay with a balance credit card or other payment method. And finally just click Pay for the order, and it will take about 1 to 2 days. And you will see the tracking number of the package in the Package tab of EastMallBuy. EastMallBuy Easy Guide Map. Thank you for watching.